guys! Welcome to my channel. This is MQ Cosplay, and today's video is going to be a bit different. Although this may not be related to cosplay and makeup, it's still related to anime. Some of you may have already heard about the news that One Piece and Skechers made a collaboration wherein Skechers released a Battle of Marineford arc inspired shoes, and luckily I was able to get one of those shoes. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This is MQ Cosplay, and my video or my channel focuses on cosplay, makeup, and anime. So just to set your expectations, I'm not a shoe enthusiast or shoe collector, but I'll try my best to unbox and review this with you guys. I would like to thank Skechers and my cosplay group Grand Line Philippines for giving me the chance to cosplay Boa Hancock during One Piece and Skechers launch party at Trinoma. Here is the shoe that I received. So I guess this is more of an unboxing video than a review because again, I'm not a shoe enthusiast or a shoe collector. I don't know which to point or whatever. Ta-da! I'll set this aside for now. So here is the box. Sorry, my ring light. I just want to give you guys a heads up. I have already worn this shoe once during the Skechers and One Piece launch event. So I have already unboxed this, but I want to unbox it again with you guys. So these are, I guess, already available in Skechers stores. You may visit any Skechers branch to see if these are already available, because as far as I know, some Skechers branch doesn't have this. I got this from Trinoma during the launch party, and I heard that there is already these are already available in Mega Mall, so I'm not sure for other branches. I love how they designed the box, like it's an actual One Piece poster itself. So you can see here, sorry, my ring light. So you can see here that we have Luffy in the yellow vest, Ace, Shanks, he's actually, yeah, Shanks, sorry. And then this is Whitebeard, Marco Phoenix, Trafalgar Law, sorry, and Edward D. Teach, Jinbei, Boa Hancock, my love. And I guess that's it, and it has a One Piece logo down below. So here's the other side of the box. It's like it has my name. And this is size 8, my size. So One Piece, Skechers, One Piece, Skechers again, and Skechers, and it has Luffy icon. All of the box looks like this. So even if you order the Ace shoes, Luffy will still be on the box. So let's open it. Hold on. So this is the usual shoe paper. So again, I have already worn this shoe once during the event. Oops. Let me set this aside first. So I'm gonna show you a closer video of the shoe. Sorry if it's a bit dirty, because that's I have already worn the shoe once, and this is how the sole looks like. Sorry, that's my dog in the background. He's a chow chow, and he makes that grunting noise. I love how they design it with very minimal design of one piece, because you can wear this with almost anything. And I love how Boa Hancock's flag is embossed over here. It has Skechers, and then I think this is a bit of a jelly type material. I'm not sure. Again, I don't know how to review shoes, but I just wanted to show you my new baby because I love this so much. So at the back part of the shoe, you'll see this red polka dotted pattern is actually the Boa Hancock snake. I actually have it with me. I'm not sure if you can see the whole polka dot, but yeah. That's the part over here. And then, of course, the purple part of the shoe is, or signifies as Boa Hancock's outfit during the Marineford battle, wherein she fought alongside with Luffy in order to save Ace. So that's it for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.